Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy, I'm going to be working on the last cabinet in my kitchen, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I know I said last week that I was going to do the cabinet that houses my trash cans, but I was like, would I add value to anyone's life by cleaning out a cabinet with trash cans? And I decided that I wanted to do possibly the biggest cabinet in my kitchen, which I have not done, and that is the pantry. So I was like, I think I'd rather do the pantry for my last one, and I will clean out the trash cans and clean out the trash can cabinet, but I will not put that as a separate video. So what we're gonna do is take everything out of the pantry, give it a good wipe down, see if we have anything that has expired or anything to declutter, and put it all back in again. And this video is in collaboration with my friends here on YouTube. Their channel name is Robin Sumner, and they are also doing one cabinet or one drawer at a time. So make sure to go and check out their channel when you're finished with my video.
We don't fail to see the beauty of being free. Don't forget what you love the most. I just wanna keep you close, so we have to give it one more try before the idiots are taking over. And caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running from. No one knows anymore. What's it for? What's it for? So much more than we've been told.
If you are new to my channel, I want to take just a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of homemaking content here on my YouTube channel. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I love to inspire and help you do things around your home. I know that this pantry is so hard to see in, so I did speed up some of the clips at the beginning, and then I tried to leave in clips like when I turn away so that you can kind of see what's going on just a little bit. I had procrastinated about doing this, but it took me from start to finish 25 minutes.
Way beyond what we can hold. So keep your eyes open for the things that really matter. Oh, we have to give it one more try now that the idiots are taking over. Caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running from. No one knows anymore. What's it for? What's it for? Oh no.
Because it is so hard to see, on the top shelf of my pantry, I keep extra storage containers in case I have anything new come into my pantry. They're cleaned, ready to go. I keep some canned goods just in case we need those for an emergency. I keep some spaghetti up there just because it's taller, and I do keep a few straws, and that is about it for the top. I just put things that I really never use.
One more time before it's over. I'm caught up in the race of wanting more. We can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running from. No one.
This next shelf is kind of like my overflow shelf. I keep extra chips. I keep sugar in the back because I cannot tell you the last time I used the sugar. And then I just keep like extra, just overflow extra stuff in there. This next shelf, I keep a basket where each week when I go to the grocery store, I put all the items that I'm going to need to prepare food for that week in the basket. And then I have like flour, baking powder, anything that I may need to prepare my food for the week. Because this next shelf is the most easily accessible shelf, I put everyday snacks in that shelf. I have a basket where I can put some extra things, and then I have little containers for each snack. Next shelf just kind of became the miscellaneous grab and go shelf. I keep my bread in here, I keep some extra snacks, peanut butter, dog treats, you name it, I probably keep it on this shelf. Bottom of my pantry is reserved for extra soda, a little step stool, dog food, and anything extra that I happen to have on hand. I did find a few items to go ahead and declutter in my pantry. By decluttering, I mean that this food has expired, so therefore I am going to throw it away. But I do have 3 of these containers of applesauce. I have some corn. I have some chicken noodle soup. I have some of these small bags of chips, and I tried them just to make sure, and they are stale, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw away all of those as well. And then just this little Kind bar. I know that my pantry is a little bit of a tight spot, and it was hard to film in the pantry, but on a positive note, it is done. I've tidied it. I have completed all of the cabinets in my kitchen, and I'm so excited, and thank you guys so much for being here with me as I did each cabinet one at a time, because I find it so overwhelming if I do a big project like all in one day or all in, you know, a couple of days. So I like to break it down into small, more manageable tasks. And so that's what I did here in my kitchen. So now I'm ready to move on to more cabinets in my home. So just a reminder, check out my friend's channel, Rob and Sumner. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.
But I go there.